guys, speaking on behalf of the whole FTMO team, we would like to honestly thank you for reaching this amazing milestone. When we started posting our first videos a couple of years back, we only dreamt of getting this far.
Hello guys, greetings from the FTMO.
Today we are visiting an exchange day in Vienna.
From visiting traders fairs to making in-depth interviews with our FTMO traders, sharing trading tips and educational videos with our performance coaches, we hope you enjoy our mutual journey as much as we do.
We are working hard every day to make 2021 even better.
To celebrate this milestone, we prepared something special for you. All FTMO accounts coming from the FTMO challenges purchased today will have a 90% profit split for all their payouts. Thank you for watching our videos, and we'll see you in the next one.